Ipinagmalaki ni Pangulong Aquino ang mas maayos na weather forecasting at flood warning system ng Pag-asa gamit ang teknolohiya. Ginawa ito ng Pangulo sa International Conference ng CIMEO Innotech. Binigyang diin ni Pangulong Aquino ang kahalagahan ng siyensya, teknolohiya at edukasyon sa patuloy na paglago ng isang bansa. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo sa kanyang pagdalo sa ika-13 International Conference ng Southeast Asian Ministers of Education Organization, Regional Center for Educational Innovation and Technology o CIMEO Innotech sa EDSA Shangri-La Hotel sa Mandaluyong City.
More than at any other time in history, today technology is truly challenging the status quo. It bridges distance, fills gaps in language and culture, and is quickly becoming a vehicle for direct action.
Ayon sa Pangulo, mahalagang bahagi ang makabagong teknolohiya sa isinusulong na kampanya ng administrasyon para sa mabuting pamamahala.
The space for dialogue that technology creates becomes all the more important comes to our agenda of open governance. The internet and social media have allowed virtually instantaneous interaction to take place between the government and the people, especially now that many of our offices are putting their online presence to good use.
Ayon rin sa Pangulo, dahil rin sa makabagong teknolohiya, ay maagang nakakakilos ang lahat para maiwasan ang sakuna at makapagligtas ng daan-daang buhay tulad na lamang nitong nagdaang bagyong Pablo.
The United Nations Office for Disaster Reduction itself cited the efforts of government in the recent typhoon, stating that our improved weather forecasting and flood warning systems helped to save lives. And while we have much left to do, I believe this shows that we have already learned from past experiences, again, allowing us to save countless lives. And the engagement of government and the Filipino people through technology has played an important part in this. Most important of all, technology allowed the Filipino people to be proactive and to do their share during this crisis. Because of early warnings, local government units were able to act quickly and implement preemptive evacuation, which many of us cooperated with. Social media became the vehicle through which the Filipino people actively disseminated information as well as responded to calls for relief and rescue. Indeed, everyone took part.
Kasabay nito ay pinaabot ng Pangulo ang pasasalamat sa CIMEO Innotech sa pagiging katuwang ng gobyerno sa pagsulong ng edukasyon sa Pilipinas.
Were initiatives that benefited thousands of our schools and even more students. From your assistance in improving the basic education of Filipino Muslims to computerized management and operation support tools to facilitate the administration of schools and student monitoring, you have truly done your part in advancing the state of education in the Philippines, and for this, you have our sincerest gratitude.
36 na taon na ang CIMEO sa Pilipinas. Ang kanilang international conference ay ginaganap kada 2 taon. Ngayong hapon, Habiba, ay magpapatawag ng meeting si Pangulong Aquino para humingi ng update sa epekto ng Typhoon Pablo. Magsisimula ito alas 3 ng hapon at gaganapin sa President's Hall ng Palasyo. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako si Elena Luna, Bisyon ng Bayan.